Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming which Google account holds the contacts, and that sync is enabled on your device. This ensures restored entries reappear. Once signed in, open Contacts. Google.com or the Contacts section inside Gmail to begin. Make sure you already know the backup timestamp or have an exported CSV or vCard ready. That file is your safety net. Now, locate the Settings or More Actions menu and prepare to use the Restore or Import option to proceed. Now perform the main action. Select Restore from the left menu and pick a timestamp. Google allows up to 30 days. This reinstates prior contact states quickly. Alternatively, click Import and upload your CSV or vCard file if you exported contacts earlier. Import preserves custom labels. Once the operation completes, scan the list for duplicates or merged entries. Use the Merge and Fix suggestions to tidy names and numbers. Make sure to verify key contacts immediately to confirm. Finish by allowing a few minutes for Google to sync changes across devices, and then verify crucial contacts on your phone or tablet. If Restore didn't apply or you used an export file, re-import the CSV/vCard and confirm label assignments. If contacts still don't appear, clear the Contacts app web cache, sign out and sign back into your Google account, or remove and re-add the account on your device. This forces a fresh sync. If problems persist, check you restored the correct Google account.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.